Rockford Chimney Supply presents installing a stainless steel chimney chase cover. You'll first start by removing the chimney flue cap on the pipe. Most chimney rain caps are easily removable for servicing. In this case though, the rain cap is rusted on and we're not going to be able to remove it without cutting the rain cap off. You can use a chisel to help pry the rain cap off, or you can use an angle grinder to cut it off. And then next you'll remove the storm collar. It is best to use an angle grinder and carefully cut the storm collar off of the pipe. Once the storm collar is removed, you'll often find that there is a lot of silicone around the pipe and the chase cover. You can spend a lot of time with a razor knife trying to cut away the silicone around the pipe, but it is best to use an angle grinder and cut the top of the chase cover a couple inches away from the pipe all the way around. Once you have made the cut all the way around, the pipe will start to float in the chase. Then you are able to make a slit in the steel that's remaining around the pipe and start peeling that away from the pipe. And once the pipe is free from the chase cover, you can start removing the nails on the side skirt that are holding the chase cover on. And now with all the nails removed, you can simply lift the chase cover off of the chimney. And now it's time to get the new stainless steel chase cover up to the top of the chimney. You'll need to pre-drill some holes on the side skirt for the mounting anchors. For that I use a 13/64 steel cutting drill bit. And for a cover of this size, I would suggest drilling 3 holes on each of the long sides of the chase cover. You will want to drill the holes a couple inches off each corner and then one directly in the center. Before you put on the new stainless steel chase cover, it is a good idea to place a shim on the top of the chimney chase in the center of the chimney. This will ensure that the diagonal creases, which provides the water runoff for the chase cover, does not sag in a heavy snow load. And now you can place the chimney chase cover on top of the chimney. And now it's time to run the fasteners through the side skirt of the chase cover into the side of the chimney structure. I like to use a hex head number 8 by 2 inch stainless steel self-tapping sheet metal screw. And now you can install the stainless steel storm collar. Place the storm collar around the pipe over the hole of the chase cover and tighten the worm gear with a 5/16 nut driver. Now that the storm collar is tight around the pipe, you'll want to seal the top edge of the storm collar where it meets the pipe with an outdoor silicone. And then spread the silicone around, making sure you got a good seal. And now you can install the new chimney rain cap. And then you'll want to run a screw through the pipe into the sleeve of the rain cap to prevent it from blowing away. Don't! And there you have it, installing a stainless steel chimney chase cover. If you have any questions about installing a stainless steel chimney chase cover, feel free to give one of Rockford Chimney Supply's certified technicians a call. They'd be happy to help. You can reach them at 866-708-2446. And there is more information on the website, www.rockfordchimneysupply.com. From all of us here at Rockford Chimney Supply, stay safe and stay warm by the fire.